Alright guys, so right now we're going to talk about choosing a niche for your new YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to give you some of my top niche ideas, and I'll let you know some niches I actually do make videos on. And one of those is conspiracy theories. Now, conspiracy theories are a really good niche because there's a lot of people who make videos that are listed under Creative Commons, which again means you can use the videos. So to find videos that are listed under Creative Commons, just search conspiracy theory and then hit filter, and then go to Creative Commons. And now this is really cool, so all of these videos right here, you can download and then re-upload them to your YouTube channel and make money off of it. So I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything, but I'm just giving you some ideas right here. So conspiracy theories are a really good niche, and as you can see there's tons of videos, and that's because these people want you to download and re-upload their videos. They want them being shared, because sometimes people like to spread messages, so they'll upload their videos as Creative Commons in the hope that someone downloads and then re-uploads it. So conspiracies are really good. Another niche that's really good is compilation videos. You've probably seen these everywhere. And compilation videos aren't necessarily all using Creative Commons videos within them. It's just that the videos they're using, as you can see right here, they're like usually amateur videos, so they're not going to like enforce copyright or anything. So another really good niche is top 5 videos, you know, countdown videos. It could be top 20 videos, top 10 videos. Just essentially videos where you count down the top 5 of something like this, scariest moments caught on GoPro, and as you can see they have a really good thumbnail, so it just makes you want to click. And you don't necessarily even have to use videos within it too. You can also just put together like a compilation of pictures and do like top 5 underwater discoveries. You can just search that, put together some pictures, talk in it, do a quick voiceover. These videos are pretty easy to make, so top 5 videos are another really good niche. Another really good niche are invention videos, or like tech videos. Now you might be asking, how can I get free tech videos to download and then re-upload? Now this is really cool. Even though these videos aren't Creative Commons, you're using people's products which they want to get sold. So they're not going to like enforce copyright or anything. So there's so many channels doing this. As you can see, one of them here is Quantum Tech HD. And if we just go to any of their random videos like this one I just opened, look at all these ads in here. All those yellow marks are ads. So I recommend looking for videos that have advertisements on them and that are getting a lot of views. Like, look at this one. This one was uploaded September 30th. The date right now is October 7th, and it already has 1.6 million views, so it's making this guy a lot of money. If we look at his Social Blade stats right here, he's making between $7,000 and $112,000 per month just from this channel. It's fully monetized. Now you might be asking, like, where can I find videos and stuff? I just recommend going to these people's channels, because look at all these videos. These are all videos you can use. So to actually use the videos, you just open it in a new tab, you go down to their description, and look at this. They have the links to each of these products. So all you do is you copy all these links like into a text document or something, and then you can download this video. You can rearrange some things so it's not the exact same as their video, you know? Maybe cover up this Q on the top right corner, put your own watermark over it, and then you re-upload it. Like, let's say, like in this one, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 videos within this one. So you could put them into a top 5 list. So just take 5 of these, do top 5 new inventions that are another level, steal their title, and then make another top 5 video, top 5 inventions that are another level too. Because as you can see, this is the 3rd video that this guy made. So you can just download this video, and I'll be showing you like how to download, edit, put it together into compilations, all using free stuff. So there we go, guys. And now this channel isn't alone doing this either. Here's another channel, Tech HD. They're doing the exact same thing. See, uploading these invention videos. See, each one's a top 5 list because they're just doing 5 of these videos. Now I recommend, once you find ideas, I recommend subscribing to these channels, because once you subscribe to them, you'll get notified and you can just copy them and find out which videos are working. Now to find out some of the most popular videos and get ideas for videos, just do sort by and then most popular on their channel. And I recommend starting out making videos with similar thumbnails. Now you might be saying, like, if I make a video with the same thumbnail, it's not, that video's already taken, it's already been used. I can tell you guys for a fact, I've used videos with the same thumbnails as other people's videos, and I've had instances in which my video goes more viral than their original video, because, you know, I do better on tags, better title and everything, but you know the thumbnail's working if the video has millions of views, as you can see these do. So I recommend just making videos the same as these, and you can go to this one too, and then sort by most popular. And like this Tech HD channel, if we go to his Social Blade stats, he's making a good couple $1,000s a month, just extra. I mean, anyone would like to have an extra couple $1,000s a month. This Freeze list is making anywhere between 1 and 27,000, so he's easily making $10,000 a month off of these videos. And then if you want to see how frequently they're posting, you can just do sort by date newest. So as you can see, they're not even posting that often, so you can beat them with quantity if you just upload a lot of videos. So again, my top ideas for niches are technology videos, top 5 videos, compilation videos, and conspiracy theory videos. And I'm going to be going over how we can exactly optimize like conspiracy theory videos and everything, because I have some tips and tricks to share with you guys how I use these videos and then make them my own. So guys, those are my top ideas for niches. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.